Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Hey, welcome back in. Taking a look outside of Richmond tonight. This is the scene that we've had a lot of today. Some towering cumulus thunderstorms that are off in the distance here from the Richmond camera, showing some aesthetically pleasing thunderclouds off in the distance. Some of us, though, getting some heavier rainfall underneath that. A beautiful scene, though, in Richmond otherwise. Green grass, a partly sunny sky. Not a bad scene for us here in most areas across the state as we head into tonight. Radar is going to be a little bit on the busy side once again, but we're seeing spots anywhere between a tenth to a half-inch of rainfall. Some spots in southern and eastern Kentucky have picked up over a half-inch to an inch plus. Look at Barberville, Whitley City, 1.7, 2 inches of rain in those areas in the last 24 hours. So some of these thunderstorms have been really good at producing the heavier rainfall. Right now, one little cell trying to split Danville and Stanford at this time with some pockets of heavy rain in there. We've got a bit more of a cluster further to the west. We'll see how much of that actually makes its way here in southeastern Kentucky. A few more working into McKee and as well as into far eastern Kentucky outside of Hindman and Pikeville and Whitesburg there. So we'll see a couple more of these spotty showers pop up here tonight, but most of us are actually going to get another drying trend into the evening. This is the wave that's been bringing us this very slow moving and persistent rainfall forecast here. This is still going to be an influence for us tomorrow, so expect a very similar day. Partly sunny to mostly cloudy at times. The passing thunderstorm is the theme, and temperatures are actually going to pull just a little bit warmer from that. So Futurecast has that drying up just a little bit tonight. A few passing showers are going to be possible. Some fog and mist likely overnight tonight, and in some spots it could be dense for us. We're going to have our air temperatures and our dew points come together pretty good. Then tomorrow afternoon you see plenty of the sunshine, but some scattered showers, maybe some more isolated storms. I think we'll see less tomorrow than we did today, but still keeping it a good chance to see some of those showers and storms through your afternoon. Then the warm front picks up. This is going to be the big change as we get into Thursday and Friday. Southwest flow is really going to crank up those temperatures for us. It's going to bring some muggy dew points, and then by Thursday night into Friday, slow moving cold front's going to bring us the chance for a couple of isolated strong to severe storms. We have a level 1 risk right now for Thursday evening and into Friday morning for large hail and some damaging winds. Storms likely weakening as they get here, but any storm that can hold on to some energy could produce some chances for an isolated severe threat. Into Friday, I think we have a little bit better of a chance of seeing severe weather. We already have an outlook from central Kentucky pointing towards the west. That is our next big thing, really, as we go through. Different model, same system. This is Thursday now. It's predicting that things get here just a little bit sooner. We'll see. It's a little bit of a longer range model, so it struggles on timing just a little bit. But as that cold front works through, scattered showers and storms into early Friday, bring round 1. A second wave comes in late Friday. This is going to be into Saturday morning, in fact. I think that's going to be our best chance to see some scattered showers and storms that could turn severe for us, and that's what we'll need to watch. But here's the fun part of it all. The cool air mass with the wave that we've been dealing with out of town. Warmer temperatures, they start to move in by Thursday, Friday. We're talking mid-80s. Of course, the cold front is going to knock us back to about where we are now. But check this out. We haven't pulled this out of storage in a minute. The muggy meter comes back, and we're talking about Thursday and Friday with dew points in the mid to upper 60s. It's going to be sweaty for us on top of all of that heat, too. So your 7-day forecast shows all of that in one good bundle for you here as we go through the weekend and into next week. We dip, but we climb again by next Tuesday.